afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Let me tell you, you're in for a treat today. I'm inside the Grand Venetian building. It's Tower 2000. We're inside this unit 2504. It's on the 24th floor. And it is absolutely incredible. Sitting right here on the deck, and this view is something you have to see in person. I'm gonna tell you some quick details about this unit. It is 4 bedrooms plus 5 full bathrooms, 327 square meters, which is roughly about 3,500 square feet. And there's even a maid's quarters where there are bunk beds and a full washroom, so your staff would have somewhere to stay as well. The listing price is $1,699 US, and you're gonna see exactly why. It's an incredible property, and we're gonna get into it right now. All right, just arrived at unit 2504 on the 24th floor of Grand Venetian Tower 2000. As we walk in, we're greeted by this wonderful view immediately. Let me tell you folks, seeing this in person is something to behold. I know it looks great on a video, but I'm gonna save that. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise just yet. Let's take a look at this living room. Very large couch for your family, friends. This is perfect for entertaining. Look at the natural light that comes through. Beautiful artwork. Now, just a quick note, this does come fully furnished. However, there are some exclusions, and unfortunately, this artwork would be part of the exclusion list. However, if you do like it, it never hurts to put it in the offer, should you choose to go that route. Nice dining table as well. Let's take a look at, we'll save the kitchen. We can go to the kitchen. There's a little little bar here facing towards the ocean. But this very unique quartz countertop. Let's take a zoom in. Embodies beach life, oceanfront living. There's a little small refrigerator as well. Keep your drinks cool as you're entertaining. Imagine watching the Super Bowl here with your friends and family, or having Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, birthdays. This is the perfect place to celebrate all occasions. Over here is a little workspace for those that want to get work or need to work while they're here vacationing. There's a place for you. High-speed internet. This is fiber optic. Over here, tucked away, which usually I would prefer to have the kitchen with a view. However, it just allows for a more open space for you to enjoy. So very large kitchen, perfect for entertaining. And for people that are here on a long stay and you have a pretty large family or guests attending with you, stainless steel refrigerator. You got this beautiful island here again with the granite countertop. You got a gas stove with oven and also a dishwasher. Now, I mentioned there is a maid's quarter, and it'll be just down this hallway here, or where this door is open. This is where all your compressors for your AC units will be housed, as well as your washer and dryer. You can also use it as a storage area where you can keep your luggage, as well as whether surfboards, paddle boards, whatever you may think of that you need storing. Over here is the maid's quarters. Full bathroom, bunk beds, and an AC unit. as well. Now let's take a look at one of the 3 bedrooms that have ocean views. We're gonna start to the right here. So you walk in, there is a natural flow of air having these windows and doors open. So from floor to ceiling doors, this bedroom is off to the side. This is a corner unit, and you have amazing ocean views. Back up so you can see the bed. This is a king size bed. And you also have your personal ensuite as well. So this is a pretty big space where you have your own personal terrace, it seems, but it's not. It's tucked in the corner. You have a couple of lounge chairs available to you, and straight out, this is your view. Imagine waking up to this every day while you're on vacation, or you decide to move here, or you're retired. This beach below is Holly Beach, and it's one of the prettiest beaches locally. White sand. Let's take a look. You can see a couple of the pools. There are actually 5 pools on this property that you have full access to. And this terrace balcony wraps all the way around. Again, so this is 1 out of 3 that have ocean views. Next is no, we'll save that for later. That's the primary bedroom. Here's another bedroom with ocean views. Also comes with a ensuite bathroom. Even from the shower, you get ocean views. Now imagine that. It could be very difficult to take a quick shower here. This is your view from your shower. Now this room has 2 single beds, great for kids to share, or if you have a larger group. Now, the owners do use this as a rental property, so great ROI if you want to know more about the rates and what they charge on a monthly or weekly basis. Send me a comment and I will be happy to share those details with you. Now, not only do you have ocean views, but you do ocean views to the south, as well as mountain views throughout. Now, just over here, what I'm pointing to is the mall, La Isla, so you're very close. This is the great thing about being here at the Grand Venetian. You're in the hotel zone and you're close to everything. Everything's within walking distance. There's fantastic restaurants across the street. Like if you're into meats, La Vaca Argentina's is there as well. If you love seafood, there's Campo Mar. So a lot of options for you to explore, and no need to take an Uber or taxi. They're within walking distance, literally 5 minutes away. Now this is the 3rd bedroom. Again, similar setup. The beds are a little bit larger. I would say they're about a queen, and they do have an AC unit as well. You don't have the views of the other bedrooms. However, you do have a partial view of the ocean, or not the ocean, of the mountains and a bit of the river. But here in paradise, you're not gonna spend the majority of your time in the bedroom. You'll be out enjoying some of the wonderful amenities. There's a Jack and Jill bathroom here. Now, let's take a look at the primary. All right, as we enter, you got your ensuite, dual vanities, Also your walk-in closet. And you got additional closet space here and a dresser. Now, this is your room, your bed, your haven. Now I'm gonna walk around so you can see. This would be your view every single day. This time of the year, the whales are back in the bay, so you can literally stay in bed, catch a beautiful sunset, watch the whales play, or hop in the jacuzzi. You have your wraparound terrace, and I don't have this door open, but if I open it up, the fresh air that comes through, there is no need to run your AC. Now you get views to the south city views. I'm gonna step out on this terrace. From here, I can see Los Arcos. Now, for those who don't know, Los Arcos is a water park, natural reserve located in Mismaloya. These 3 rock formations, they're great to go snorkeling. I've been there several times. You can, in fact, swim through them. And I've even seen a whale shark. Yes, a whale shark. Not saying that you'll see it every single time, but it's definitely something that you should check out while you're here. All right, let's walk along this balcony here. I'll give you the full view. Lots of space. Loved how they furnished it. You got a lot of tables, seating areas, so you can host a lot of people, and everybody has their own personal space. Perfect for indoor, outdoor living. You got a barbecue here in the corner. All set up for you to maximize rest and relaxation and peacefulness. Now that concludes our tour today here at the Grand Venetian. We're in Tower 2000. The unit is 2504, located on the 24th floor. As a quick recap, this is 327 square meters, which is roughly 3,500 square feet. The asking price is $1,699,000 USD. This is a 4-bedroom condo with 5 full baths, plus a maid's quarters. And let me tell you, seeing is believing. You got to see this in person. Like, nothing can compare to what you would actually feel and experience while you're here at this building. Amenities, anything that you could think of. There's a spa, there's tennis, there's pickleball, there's even on-site restaurant. So if you want to see this in person or virtually, contact me today. I'll be happy to show you this beautiful property. Until my next video, thanks again for watching Kirk Knows PV Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.